Now people can hear my sexy voice. Let's see my sexy face.
I'm pretty sure I've appeared in your video many times.
Problems people have had before where it's exploded because the gummy bear got plugged in the test tube. That's why you got to use a big diameter test tube. That's what I was looking for this morning and couldn't find them. So I didn't do it this morning. They ate all the gummy bears. Oh, we're almost there.
And actually my camera's too slow. It is.
Oh, it's all up now.
Oh, dude, look at it.
Have you ever tried
Yeah, what is the direction of all the chemicals?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Right on the chemical line.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah, you guys probably want to move that way too, because I am. You want me behind the shield.
This is crazy.
Are we behind it? Yeah, I don't care. I'm behind it. That's sort of it.
Turn off.
I'm moving over a
You
bit.
want to shut that door quick, and then I'll put the gummy bear and then you can run back.
Shut it!
Shut that door a bit.
We're safe.
Can you put it in?
I think so.
Do it now.
I can't even see
That's good. I just didn't want all that light. We got the windows still.
Oh! It's fucking awesome.
I thought it said not to breathe this gas.
No, the dust of the chemical that I was pouring in there.
That was the explosion. That was amazing.
That gummy bear's being well cooked.
Can we look at it now?
After you can look at it. That's white hot, so that's over 3,000 degrees. Okay? There's the light on.